Hi, my name is Kevin Farnsworth. I'm an orthodontist here in Alamo Heights, and we own our private practice in our brand new building. So we are a locally owned, privately owned private practice here in San Antonio, and we are super proud to be supported by and just helped in a local partnership with Broadway Bank. We moved here 10 years ago when I was in residency, me and my wife, when we moved here. As a means of making income, we taught at a cycling studio called Joyride. And that's actually where I met Chris Cheever one day, and he gave me his business card, and I'll never forget. He was a very nice, very kind person that we met, and he just told me, hey, remember me, if you ever need anything, we're here to help you. And he's held true to that statement from the moment I met him, and he's just a great human being that I'm proud to know. Broadway Bank, from that point on, it just kind of always held a special place in my heart. I know if I get on the phone, I can call somebody, I can email somebody, I know who I'm going to get in touch with. The ease of communication has been just seamless. They're great people. They're definitely people you want to work with. They listen to you rather than trying to steer you into whatever they're trying to get you to do. And they're just there to help you. They're help you be part of your life, part of your community, and they want to help serve you.